Hi, I'm Flat Earth Bird, and the world is flat. Idiots!
This, though, was a race with very high attrition and a lot of retirements, and many of them came in the opening corner. A pile-up involving 8 cars, triggered by Rubens Barrichello being hit up the back by Michael Schumacher's brother, Ralf. Plenty of other cars were eliminated at the same time. One of the most exciting battles in this Grand Prix was between the Minardi of Mark Webber, which didn't have top gear, and the Toyota of Mika Salo, who was closing fast on him. In the closing stages of the Grand Prix, there was drama. The Aussies were on their feet. Was their boy going to score some points and be an unlikely underdog hero?